Shenika, I think you wound up ignoring that -5. Let's see, where am I? Exponent here on top. Okay. So you really would have to remove the parentheses by raising everything on top to the -5th power. So you get m to the -35, n to the -5. And then you'd still have the m to the -9, n to the 4 on the bottom. Okay. All right. And then once you do that, I recommend that you get rid of the negative exponents. So that means if it has a negative exponent, which these do, you'd move them to the other side of the fraction bar. So m to the -35 would be 1 over m to the 35. M to the -9 would move up and become m to the 9th. The n to the -5 would move down here and be n to the 5th. And then n to the 4th, the exponent was already positive, so it stayed put. Okay? Then the expressions with the n in them would go together and become an n to the 9th on the bottom. Okay. And so now the top and bottom are simplified, but I'm noticing that I've got an m here and an m there. So you should be thinking of it kind of like this. You got a whole bunch of m's. Here you got a whole bunch of m's. And you know, here you have 35 of them. Here you have 9. You have 9 of them here. So you're going to be able to cancel out 9 of them. So you take the 35, you take away 9 of them. That leaves you with 20, what is that, 26. Okay, so when you knock out these 9 m's from here, this right here is going to be only a 26. So you have 1 on top and then m to the 26th, n to the 9th for your final answer. Okay, so the answer you got right there, if this had just been m to the 7th n and then m to the -9th, n to the 4th, that would have been what you said. Okay, so if we took and moved the things with negative exponents to the other side of the fraction bar, and then these would get added to be m to the 16th. And then here I have 1n, here I have 4. That one would have turned out to be m to the 16th over n to the 3. But you ignored the -5 right there, okay? So this is the route you should have taken, right? So when you remove the parentheses, the exponents are getting multiplied. Then you move the things with negative exponents to the other side of the fraction bar and make them positive. So we did that. Then the n's, you have 9 of them basically in the denominator. And then 9 of the m's, knock out 9 of those and leave you with just 26 m's in the denominator. And that would be the actual final answer. Okay, so I'm going to send this to you.